Hey everyone, it's RoseyLikeMe. Or, well, hey Rose, it's you. October 8th recap regarding HTML, CSS, and JavaScript learning. You were working on a problem for how long? I want to know. I'm genuinely curious how long it took me to solve this, because it took way too long. So, you have been working on this problem with the button for about 2 hours. Since 3:36, right now it's 5:20 p.m. Since 3:36 p.m., you searched up how to remove focus around buttons on click. Right? And you have been hashing it out with this problem. You have been researching, trying to rephrase the question several times, opening up several Stack Overflow, etc. Right? None of them were able to fix your problem. Okay? However, around 5 p.m., you decided, thank God, you decided to grab a piece of paper and a pen and write down exactly what the problem is. I wrote it down because I really wanted to track this. How long it would have taken you if you wrote down on a piece of paper, right? So, you wrote down the problem. Your problem was, when I click on a button, it stays highlighted with my pink border. The font is bolded and the button is raised. And then you wrote what you wanted. What I want. I only want my button to change border/button color to pink, bolded font and raised button if it's hovered only, right? And then you wrote a tested thing, but you didn't even get to that. Why? Because you just started messing around with the CSS file, and you started looking at your actual web page and seeing all the changes that it's happening. One by one, deleting certain properties or text, tags, whatever. You were able to solve the problem within 20 minutes of doing this. You would have saved those precious 2 hours, the headache, if you only did this method from the start. And if you took a good look at what your code is. Right now, it is still somewhat messy in the fact that you could probably concise things and combine some of these things together, because some of them have the same properties under, let's say, a class or whatever, or selector. But regardless, you solved the problem on your own. Anyways, good job, but also that's a learning experience for sure. Grab a paper and a pen and just hash the problem out.